Hello everyone. Ever thought of posting an Instagram story? Not all stories can be shared, but I'll show you how it's done. Let's say you're viewing this girl's story. If you spot a paper plane icon below, it means it's shareable. Tap the icon. If there's an option to share to your story, you can repost it, but remember, not all stories have this option. If you're tagging a story, it's easier. Check your Instagram DMs. There's usually a notification about being tagged. Clicking on that tag will let you view the story. Look for an icon that allows you to add it to your story directly. And if you're not tagged and can't repost directly, here's a workaround. Screenshot the story. Then, head to your Instagram story upload. Select the screenshots, perhaps tag the original poster, and you're set. It's handy trick to share something you resonate with or to amplify someone's message. Remember to always respect privacy and content ownership. Not everything should be reposted, and it's best to ask when unsure. I hope this clarifies the art of reposting Instagram stories. It's all about knowing the tricks. Got question or thoughts? Drop them in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.